In recent times, building constructions has made an impressive improvement and turnaround. This remarkable turn of events is as a result of having good quality constructions that are firm, foolproof, of high standard and effective services. At the forefront of this, there is Ugodilins Building Construction Company Limited. Filled with all these attributes and more, they also provide great architectural designs, good contracts, civil work, and excellent engineering services. For more information, call the phone line 0803 7456 082 or visit the website at www.ugodilinsbcc.com. You can follow the social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, all at Ugodilins Building Construction Company Limited. For all your construction desires, trust Ugodilins Building Construction Company to deliver.